Gumma Sally. So as you probably know my YouTube channel, I am a girl. Cause a lot of people think I'm a male, which is very weird.
What did I do?
Because push my freaking little. Sorry.
She's a freaking.
Take my glasses.
Okay, so today.
I just see you.
Be quiet. I'm trying to do something. Give me a second. So we're back. Sorry, we had to have a quick.
Quit.
Okay, y'all. We're back from another break. Go away, please. So we are going to doing makeup. And if you hear any background noises, that's probably just Ashley or Papa. Oh, by the way, Papa, can you please say hi?
Hi.
Gumma Sally's.
¿Cómo estás?
Say hi, Gumma Sally's.
Hi, ¿cómo estás?
Not like that in your regular voice.
¿Cómo estás? Hello there.
Okay, so for starters, how did you know I was gonna say that? So we're gonna put these on. Boom, there, on. Now, as you can clearly see, I have some really good clothes on. So I'm going to get changed. Give me 2 seconds. Hi, I'm back. Now let me show you. Are you getting in it? Nope. Sorry guys, just my Papa's a little shy or whatever. But look how cute this is. Yes, I do have shorts. It's so cute. Okay, so now let's get into it. The moment we've all been waiting for. It only took 2 minutes and 9 seconds. And I'm running out of time. Help me, please. No, not really. But, okay, so.
Can I say down here?
Y'all screen. Sorry. Okay, so let's get into it. Oh my god.
It's good that way.
Look at that. Oh. Yes, we'll be using it. But for now, let's focus on this beauty. If you guys don't know, I'm not sponsoring or anything. Just, if you guys don't know, that this is my favorite lipstick to use. I'm pretty sure it's NYX. NYX. What? As you can clearly see it's like NYX, but it really looks backwards. But right now it says soft matte lip cream, and this is just Spanish. Right here is English, right here is Spanish. English, Spanish. Okay, so let's get into it, y'all. So we have to restart that real quick. Alright, so let's get into it, y'all. Yeah. I'm twisting it the wrong way. Trying to make it satisfying. Okay, now we can actually get into it. Let's cut some nail. Okay. Oh my god, it's less than infinite. Oh my god, I'm running out of time. We have to do this quick. Okay. I heard this can go on YouTube. Oh, sorry you guys, I'm not Amira. Sorry, family. Look how cute that is. I call What is the sandy lip? That is what NYX is for. Sandy lip. You're supposed to say it like this. Sandy lip. So it go like sandy lip. Okay, let me put it back in the case. Now we're doing eyeshadow. Okay, so Papa, did you like the love spell? Huh?
Yes, I picked it.
No, I did. Okay, so
Well,
I'm gonna
yes.
use love spell and twig. If y'all don't know what colors they are. No, I can't do that. I can't do that. I don't want to break my makeup palette. That's twig and that's love spell. So twig and love spell. We're gonna be using those today, family. Shush, shushy bush.
I don't shush.
I just got a new saying, shushy bush. Ah.
I'll shush very well.
So first, like, I'm just gonna since I have no makeup to just blah, 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 I'm not gonna do that, and I'm just gonna. Oh, you see my eye bags, y'all? Let's just put on some dazzle. As you can see, it kind of matches my skin color. Ow. Got some on my eye. Dazzle is an eyeshadow, and yes, this is the product that I'm going to be promoting. It is called Beauty is My Business, and it's a 36 PC eyeshadow palette. There's also instructions and things of it. There's instructions, Smoke and Mio Cosmetics, Live, Laugh, Weave. This set contains whatever. And there's the little code thingy. There's a little trigger warning, and it says what's the trigger warning? Let me say it. Warning: cancer and respectively harm World War something. I don't know. www.pc6warnings.ca.gov. G-O-V. Just so y'all know. Now let's do it. I'm gonna put on some dazzle to cover my eye bags because I'm sleepy. Oh shoot, it's recording.
What?
Okay. I said, oh shoot, it's recording.
Recording.
Don't worry, it just started recording. Okay, so as you can see, I did put on the dazzle. Just blend that in real quick. Okay, now we're gonna put on twig for that little pot, right here. Let's go. I have never used twig before. Okay, I'm gonna have to use all eyes, Amelia. I'm so sorry. Okay. No, I was just gonna. Okay, 1 minute. I'm gonna fix that. Okay, I think I fixed it. Okay, so now let's put on Love Spell. Now, since I am the master at this, Papa,
Yes.
look at this dust. It's a love spell.
Love spell. Don't make me look at that. Remember what happened last time?
Yep. We're joking. I'm just saying it. Take it. Take it. Pop. It just went by. Papa, do you remember the time where I said I love you for the first time?
I remember that.
What I could say I could say love you and I, and then I combined those words and I said I love you.
Do I remember that?
Yeah.
I probably remember it. Why? Do you remember it?
Yeah.
Like it was yesterday, huh?
No, like, it was like today. That's how good I remember it. Ooh, I want to show you guys some toy I got for Papa when I was a little kid. Ooh. Let me get it. I'll put it back. I'll put it back. It's like kind of scary because like the eyeballs, but like it's so cute. Like, so cute. Okay, I gotta put it back because I will get in big trouble if this falls. I did it. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Oh my God! Did you break it?
I'm committed now.
Did you break it? You broke it! He broke it!
I didn't break anything.
Okay, now I'm gonna put on some blush. It's called Bury Me. And yes, this is eyeshadow. But look how cute it is when like you put it like all together. Like, I know you can clearly see it, but like, who cares? Do you care?
Not me. I don't care.
I don't care.
Who cares then? Nobody cares.
Who cares?
Nobody cares.
Okay, so we're just gonna rub this in. And now we're gonna just no. I will show you the finished product. Ooh, with my special shoes. Can we do it? You think I can do it? Yes, I do have shorts on again. Nice. Love y'all. Bye.